A developer just gave away a 500,000 token AI brain for your Mac. Free. No account. By the end, you'll know which free app secretly isn't. Here's the app itself, what it actually does, and who built it. This is Nativ, a 100% open-source, MIT-licensed Mac app from developer Prince Kanuma. Chat interface, local API server, models running entirely offline on your own machine. 599 stars in 2 days. Its own tagline, not a SaaS, not a subscription. Here's the real thread. 368 points on Hacker News, 126 comments 1 day after it shipped. That's not manufactured hype, that's a community actually testing it. But scroll the comments and one word starts a fight. Frontier. Stick around for what Hacker News says about that claim. 3 models ship inside it. Gemma 4 from Google, 10 gigabytes, 128,000 tokens of context. North Minicode from Cohere, 19 gigabytes with a 500,000 token window. And LFM 2.5 from Liquid AI, just 3 gigabytes. Simon Willison, one of the most trusted names in this space, wrote it up the next day and called it, quote, similar in shape to LM Studio. Hold that thought. There's a reason that comparison cuts both ways. 599 stars. 2 days. No company, no marketing team, just one developer and a GitHub repo. The actual repo. MIT license, 34 forks, 19 open issues already. A live project, not a one-and-done drop. Part 2. The machine quietly doing all the work underneath. Native runs on edX VLM, Prince Kanuma's own library, built specifically for Apple Silicon. 5,200 stars, 675 forks, 70 releases. LM Studio has quietly depended on it for over a year because it's faster on a Mac than the alternative. How much RAM do you actually need? Hacker News answered fast. 32 gigabytes, the bare minimum. 48 to 64, comfortable, because these are still full models sitting in memory, not streamed from a server somewhere. Under 18, and one tester's fans spun up just opening a basic model. 500,000 tokens of context. Local. That's not a typo. That's the number the coding model ships with. Picture asking it to review your whole repository. With 500,000 tokens of room, the whole codebase fits in one window. And nothing leaves your machine. One more real comment worth reading. XHVLM is already a long-time dependency of LM Studio because it's faster on Apple devices than the alternative. And it doesn't sit alone. Claude Code, Codex, Open Code, Hermes, Pi, 5 agent tools, 1 local endpoint, 0 extra setup, 0 accounts, 0 credits, and in the project's own words, no data to sell. Here's the actual page. Not a SaaS, not a subscription. Free forever? That's not our marketing, that's theirs. And here's the part everyone skips. One Hacker News reader flatly rejected the word frontier for any model this small. Real testers, not press releases. One ran DeepSeek locally for weeks as a daily driver. Another shipped production code from a 27 billion parameter model, then hit its ceiling on real-world knowledge. A third watched an 18 gigabyte Mac just struggle. One word, frontier. That single word is about to start the most honest part of this whole story. Part 3. The honest part. What frontier actually means and what it doesn't. Here's the actual pushback. One commenter says it straight. Frontier used to mean the best of the best, needing serious hardware. A 3 gigabyte Vision model on your Mac is not that. 19 gigabytes on your Mac isn't the same tier as a model needing hundreds of gigabytes in a data center. Both are useful, only one is honest about its tier. Another gap nobody advertises. MLX, Ollama, and LM Studio lean on the same older sampling methods. Llama.cpp shipped the modern ones months ago. 18 gigabytes of RAM, one basic model, loaded. And in the tester's exact words, it becomes so laggy. So here's the honest floor. 18 gigabytes struggles. 32 is the bare minimum that actually works. 48 to 64 is where it gets smooth. The app costs $0. The RAM to really enjoy it might cost you a hardware upgrade. Straight from the thread, 32 gigabytes minimum, but the recommendation is 48 to 64. Take it from people who actually tried it. Nativ isn't the only app making this claim. A rival just picked up 270 points on Hacker News, with a problem Nativ doesn't have. This is LM Studio Bionic, an agent that runs directly inside your codebase, built on the same kind of local models Nativ uses. 270 points, over 100 comments, and it is closed source. Here's the exact objection, word for word. Closed source agent code running on your own codebase introduces trust assumptions you cannot verify. That is the entire thesis of this channel in one sentence. Two apps, same idea. Only one of them you can actually audit line by line. Part 4, the verdict, and the actual answer to which one you should trust. Remember Simon Willison's line, similar in shape to LM Studio? Here's why that comparison actually matters. Nativ is MIT. You can read every single line of it. LM Studio Bionic is closed. You just have to trust it. $0. Forever. No account, no credits. For once, the honest version of free. So should you actually install it? 32 gigabytes or more, and you want to own your stack? Yes. Under 18 gigabytes? Skip it for now. The fans will tell you why. Need genuinely frontier-class answers on hard problems? Keep this as your free second brain, not your only one. Here's the whole recipe in one breath. Clone the repo, open the app, pick a model, start chatting. No sign-in wall, no card on file. 3 free models, 5 agent tool integrations, $0 a month. One Mac app doing what a subscription used to. $0, MIT licensed, offline, yours. Against a typical subscription, cloud, metered, theirs. You already own the hardware. Now own the model too. The verdict? Worth it. 599 stars in 2 days. $0 forever. If your Mac has the RAM, install this one. If this one hooked you, go watch how a 744 billion parameter agent runs on a single laptop. The video that started this thread. If a free local AI on your own machine just saved you a subscription, subscribe back. I'll see you in the next one.